Okay, guys, how you doing? Ricardo Sims here. How you doing, guys? Ricardo Sims, GSP Partners. I'm gonna do a back office tour of GS Partners. Right here's my balances. Whenever I make money with GS Partners, my withdrawals and money goes in here into this wallet. Right here is the BTC wallet. Right now I have $29 in there. Pretty much I'm active for 12 more days. These are my team certificates. This is my link, affiliate link, user commissions, Blockstar pool, Infinity pool. These are the reports, presentation, compensation plan. Now I'm going to show you guys the external certificates. So once you guys are on the dashboard, you go over here. On the phone, it's going to be 3 dots to the top. So this is the difference with the computer and the phone. On the computer, you could see the whole dashboard. So I click on this. Elemental certificates, click on purchase. Okay, so now these are the commissions payout pools. So right here, Terra, it's $100. Maximum payouts with all the contract is $8,354. This right here is light. Price is $250. Maximum payout $20,855. Starting price per certificate $250. This right here is water. Price for each certificate is $1,000. Maximum payouts on all certificates. Once you buy the certificates and then you load all of them up, maximum payout $83,540. Then we have the wind, which is $2,500. Maximum payout on that $208,850. Price is $2,500 for each. As I think about 8, we'll go over how many certificates each of these asset has. This is nature. Each of them, each certificate is $5,000. Maximum payout $417,700. And we'll go over here. This is fire. Maximum potential payout $835,400. Then we're going to go to heart. Price per certificate $25,000. Maximum payout $2,888,500. Next one we're going to go to is space. Price per certificate is $50,000. Maximum payout $4,177,000. Last but not least, partner. Price per certificate $100,000. Maximum payout $8,354,000. So let's go up to here with Terra. We're gonna click on details. So as you can see, guys, after you load, this one is $100, but then you could load 150, and then you can make 525 bonus. So for 52 weeks, you're going to be making 5% each week. So 5% on $100 isn't much. That's about $5 a week. But you could get multiple of these certificates. So each month you'll be getting 1.5%. These are promotional deals. Okay, so you're just going to click exchange. Then you're going to choose your asset, and then you're going to buy the certificate. So these are the different ones. We got different ones here. We got fintech, renewables, real estate, meta portfolio, supplements, and gaming. So if you purchase all 6 of these, maximum payout $8,345. Okay. So now we're gonna go to light. So let's look at this. Okay, so this is light, guys. This has all the same assets up here. So you can actually buy each of these assets when you buy the certificate. So to have multiple, you would have to have multiple of these certificates and buy each of these assets. So for you to make $20,885 USD, you will have to buy all of these assets at $250 each asset. So I'm going to do the math, guys. I'm going to do the math. I'm going to do the percentage and see with some of these higher payouts and see the percentage on each of these. So we're going to go, this is $250 per, so we're going to do the math. 250. So we're going to do it on one, and then we're going to do it on all of them. So 200, so 250, so 5% of 250. So we're going to do it. That's $12.50 a week. So let's see, in a month, $12.50 times 4, so that's $50 a month. But let's say you buy all the certificates, so there's 6 of them, right? So you have to do 50 times 6, so that would be $300 a month if you bought all the 6 certificates. I'm sorry, that would be, yeah. I'm sorry, that would be, yeah, that would be $300 a month. In a week, let's see how much it would be in a week. So this would be 1,000. 2 of these would be 1,000. 2 of these would be 2,000. This would be 3,000. So it would be $3,000 to buy all of these certificates. So in total, you would make 20,000 USD. Is your maximum potential payout. So then you know, still going to be the 5%. You know, still going to be the 1.5%, and you're going to make up to 4 times your investment. So your investment of $3,000 can make you $12,000 plus the 5% for 52 weeks, plus the 1.5% a month. So I'm hoping you guys get this. You know, I studied it and it took me a little while to get it, but you know, thanks to my sponsor, he's helped me. We've got a great team. We've got a great foundation and leadership team. And, you know, everyone don't get things right away. Sometimes it takes some of us, you know, a little viewing and a little teaching. So I wanted to make this video to help anyone that's having problems with knowing this and knowing the calculations and the profitability and knowing pretty much how it works. So I think you get a point in this. I'm gonna do the biggest one now. This one is the second one, so I'm gonna do the 100,000. So this one is if you put 100,000 in for each certificate, maximum payout 8,354,000. So we're gonna look at that and see what that looks like. So bonus 525,000 after you load 150,000. They give you that bonus is 5% a week, 1.5% a month. And then we have the 6 assets up here: fintech, renewables, real estate, meta portfolio, supplements, and gaming. So guys, so let's see. So you're making 5% of 100,000. Here it is right here, a week. So we're going to do the calculations. So 5% of 100,000 is like 5,000. I know that without even looking at calculations, but that's 5,000. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5,000 times 6 is 30,000, right? So you're gonna be making 30,000 a week. So 30,000 times 4 weeks, that's 120,000 a month. Okay, 120,000 a month. So we're gonna do the calculation on 52 weeks. So okay, so it's 120,060. Let's see. I'm sorry. Let's see. It's 60,000 a week if you buy all these certificates. It's 5. Let me see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It's 30,000 a week. I'm sorry. 30,000 a week, 120,000 a month. So 30,000 a week, and this is 52 weeks. So we're gonna do 30,000 times 52. So that's 1,560,000 within 52 weeks. So we're gonna do the calculations on this, and then we're gonna do the promotionals. So this is 1 point. Excuse me, guys. This is 1 point. Let me put my phone on airplane mode. Okay, so I have no more disturbance. Alright, so we did the calculation on that. So then you're going to get back around 4 times as much as you put in. So that's around, but this is only for one certificate, guys. So we did the calculation on this total maximum payout, 8,354,000. So with all the bonuses and promotional, this is a promotional bonus, main bonus 525,000, and you get a promotional bonus of 3 million. Right here, you get a promotional bonus. 3 million here. Promotional right here, 300,000, and the 150, the main bonus. And then you're getting 1.5% a month. So this is pretty big, guys. So let's go back to another example. This is the one I'm at, guys. I'm on water. I got 2 certificates on water, and I'm definitely going to upgrade to the other one. This one is 83,540. So your bonus load 1,500. I mean, the price is 1,000, but if you load 1,500, you get the bonus 5,250 and 1.5% a month. Promotional bonus 30,000, main bonus 5,250, main load 1,500, promotional load 3,000. So you see that, guys. So let's do the math.